Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve a ribbon puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan. The puzzle is made of two different kinds of wood, and amazing quality craftsmanship by Pelikan makes this puzzle absolutely amazing. The difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10, and the object is to fit all three parts inside the cube-shaped frame. And as you can see, three parts are completely different, and the frame has two cutouts, one on the one side, another on other side, and you can use them to put the parts inside. And if you try to stick parts inside, you will be able to fit two of them, but the third, it's going to be a big problem to find the way how to fit it inside. Since the puzzle comes unsolved, I will show you how to put all three parts inside the cube first, and then I will show you how to remove them from the cube-shaped frame. If you like ribbon puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So first, what I do when I solve Asanori Yamamoto's puzzles, usually I try to make a shape of a cube that is going to be inside, but I do it outside. So the shape of these three parts, how they're supposed to be inside, is going to be following. You have to grab these two parts, put them not like this. Okay, that's going to be a little bit difficult. Let's see how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a different way. It's supposed to be like this, and this part goes right in here. So that is going to be the shape that you have to make inside the frame. So now a big problem, how to fit all these parts inside. So this part will go the last. Now we have to put these two parts. It doesn't matter which side you use, since the frame is completely the same from either side. So I will start with this part. I'll put it inside like this, and now I will put this part inside as well, like this. So the next step, what I have to do is to put this part one step to the right, one step up, and put this second part inside. So it's going to look like this. The next step, you have to grab this part, put it inside, so it's going to be one step, then to the right, and one step up. Now you have to take the part that is below this part, move it towards yourself one step, this part will fall down, move it inside, don't let it fall down, put it up, this part goes inside, and now you can move this part to the right, and the puzzle is assembled. As you can see, we have a cube shape, and to remove it you have to do exactly the same steps but backwards. First goes this part to the left. Now you can move this part towards yourself. The third part goes to the right and up. Now this part goes inside. So, and this part on the left is already falling out. Now you can move this part to the front and remove both of these puzzles from the frame. So that was the solution of ribbon puzzle. As you can see, pretty difficult solution, and the most difficult part is to find the way how to fit all these parts inside, since you have to put them from different sides to be able to assemble them inside the frame. If you like ribbon puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!